Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this C programming tutorial, we're going to discuss how to do some basic math operations with integer values in a printf statement. So let's create a file. I'm going to call this variables2.c. Okay, and let's get in the habit of doing this at the top of the document. The purpose of this program is to demonstrate math operations with integers using printf. Okay, and we'll put our copyright, and we'll close this comment here, and we'll include our header here, and we'll have our main function. And let's declare a couple variables. So we'll have value 1 and value 2. Those are both integers. Let's say value 1 equals 3, value 2 equals 7. We're now going to do some operations and print some stuff to the screen. So we're going to use printf, and we'll say %d plus %d. So that's going to be the two values, equals %d, because we're going to come up with an integer value, and we'll have value 1, value 2, value 1 plus value 2. And that's how we're going to do the operation, okay? So we can do the same thing now with subtraction. We can do %d minus %d equals %d. And then we have value 1, value 2, value 1 minus value 2. Okay. Next thing we can do is we can do multiplication. So we can do printf. We do %d times %d equals %d. Again, we pass in value 1, and then value 2, and then value 1 times value 2. Okay. Now, interesting thing about this is we're going to do division with this, but we're going to get an integer if we set it up this way, and it's going to chop off the decimal part. So I'll show you that as well. So I'll do printf, and then we'll do %d divided by %d equals %d. And to demonstrate this, I actually want to have 7 divided by 3. So I'm going to pass value 2 first. That's going to give me 7 divided by 3, and then value 1, and then value 2 divided by value 1. Whoops. Okay. And we'll finish up that line, put our semicolon there, and we'll return 0 at the end here. And let's save this. And there's one thing that I should do to demonstrate this. At the end of each of these, let's put a /n, so it moves it down to the next line, so we can see this nice and easily, and it's formatted well. Okay, let's save it now, and let's bring up eShell, and we're going to compile. This is variables2.c, and we're going to output variables2 as our file. Okay, and now let's run variables2. Okay, so we have 3 plus 7 equals 10, 3 minus 7 equals -4, 3 times 7 equals 21, and 7 divided by 3 equals 2, because even though there's a remainder, it forgets the remainder of the decimal part, and because we had equals %d, we have an integer, okay? So I hope that was helpful for passing in variables into a printf statement and performing some basic math calculations. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.